part of this historic celebration, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which means everlasting memories of freedom struggle, heralding the 75th year of India's independence. As the entire nation celebrates this momentous occasion, I take pride in eulogizing the glorious era of independent India from the soil of Telangana, which has a major partnership now in the country's progress. In these last 7.5 decades, India has made rapid strides in each and every field. When several countries across the world, including the most developed nations, are still struggling to overcome the worst ever crisis created by the COVID-19 pandemic in the last 1 year, India has not only endured its wrath but also showed a new direction to the world by developing, producing and supplying indigenous vaccines to combat the virus. We must all be proud that our country is supplying our indigenous COVID vaccines to more than 50 countries, including many developed nations across the globe. We have also gifted our vaccine to our neighbors and to many other needy nations. That truly signifies new and Atmanirbhar Bharat. India is currently witnessing the world's largest vaccination drive. More than 2.5 crore doses have been already administered till now in our country. As we are all racing towards crossing the major milestone of 75 years of independence, what we are witnessing now is a transformed new India. As our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji calls the nation which has been making rapid strides in every field. Of course, its spiritual power has always been an inspiration for the rest of the world. The independent India has made tremendous progress on all fronts during the last 75 years, from importing food grains to attaining self-sustenance in agriculture through different phases of green revolution. From reeling under darkness to producing surplus power, from taking help of developed nations to send space satellites into the orbits to launching indigenous Mars orbiter mission and Chandrayaan. From scanty rail network to running bullet trains. From borrowing loans from external lending agencies to building up huge foreign exchange reserves and extending loans to several poorer nations. From struggling to take part in international games to winning World Cups and Olympic medals. From high percentage of illiteracy to dominating global technology and heading the top companies like Microsoft and Google. From malnutrition and lack of health care to producing vaccines for the entire world. The list is endless to prove India's worth and its tremendous journey since independence. It is not out of place to mention that young Indians are the real driving force of scientific and technological organizations all over the world. We can proudly say that there are not only many countries in the world that do not have the young Indian scientists, software professionals and other skills professionals part of their organizations. Now, this new India with 1.3 billion plus population is displaying an extraordinary capability to emerge as a powerful nation. Under the visionary and dynamic leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji, the country is heading towards $5 trillion economy by 2025 by fulfilling the aspirations of its people. With seamless opportunities to the young Indians in every field, the change is there for everyone to see. India became an independent nation after protracted freedom struggle that went on for several decades. It was a non-violent struggle led by Mahatma Gandhiji that showed a new direction to many other freedom struggles. It is time that we once again remember the words of Mahatma Gandhiji, who stated that a country whose culture is based on non-violence will it necessary to have every home as much self-contained as possible. It can proud